So in this video we'll be going over some of the ways to quickly navigate yourself around a control or a G-code program in myCNC software. So first of all, let's say you have a file open, such as I do here, and you'd like to start running that file from some arbitrary point or some arbitrary line in that file. And again, this can be any line, it just doesn't have to be the first line. So you can scroll using these up and down buttons to the correct line, and after you've found it, you can press the bind operating point button to bind the starting point to the operating point. Then when you press the run button, this will be the point from which the program starts. A similar functionality is available with your next and previous parts buttons. Those are denoted by an M71 code, so M71 is the code to start cutting, and those denote the pierce points. So as we scroll through the file, it allows us to quickly navigate to the part that we require, at which point, after we've located the part, we can press the bind button again, and once we press the run button, this is where the program will start. Last but not least, we have the running backwards as well as running forwards functionality, which is very useful in cases where, for example, you have lost your arc between your torch and your metal, and you'd like to run backwards until you locate the point from which you need to continue once again. So you start the application, you press the run backwards button, you run backwards until you reach the correct point, press the stop button again, and then run the program as usual. So these are some of the methods to quickly help you navigate around the myCNC application. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website at pv-automation.com for more information.